Tomorrow's they come, now the time to rise. Children they smile, you can see it in their eyes. From nursery small to secondary board, we they give free knowledge, more than gold in honor. No school fees, no wahala. Just show up daily with your pen and paper. From 8 AM we they open the gate. The foundation they lift the way.
For free summer lesson 2025. Let the children learn, let their dreams come alive. Who don't they give? Absolutely free. From Washington State to Enugu we be.
Private nursery, primary, secondary too. Come and join the brighter view. For my fun school, Eha-Amufu line. We build the future, one child at a time. Hey, hey, we the reach Eha-Amufu with love. Helping young minds to rise above with lessons that teach and values that grow. From ABC to future goals. Volunteers they, teachers they cheer. This not movement where they spread hope, yeah. Parents, guardians, make una bring them. Your picking feet be Nigeria's gem.
Now learn is the key, and the time is now. Let's lift the children up, show them how. Every little heart deserves to shine. On the guide, step by step, line by line. Free summer lesson 2025. Let the children learn, let their dreams come alive. All on they give, absolutely free. From Washington State to Enugu we need.
So free summer lesson, domination, education with no condition. Open school, Eha-Amufu stand. Eha-Amufu give them a helping hand. Back from August 5th to 29th, make you no miss. Opportunity there, this one a bliss. Oh wait, down up is stopping away. CBA2, let's build a future. To volunteer, donate, or learn more. When me and Bedando balo come no bagadong. Eha-Amufu stand. Join them Global Support Foundation and Von School as we provide this opportunity to the community.